Erasing lines with acupuncture. Getting older is something that none of us really enjoy. Not only does it make it more difficult for us to live life in general, it also begins to show, such as in the wrinkles on our face. Far too many people try to remove these wrinkles by use of dangerous medical treatments that include injecting chemicals under our skin or using them to actually peel part of our face away. Many people have turned to natural medicine in an effort to turn back the hands of time. One of the ways that they use is that of acupuncture. Is acupuncture actually able to give you a facelift? As acupuncture becomes more common in Western society, many people have turned to this natural practice in order to help with their healing and their overall health. Although this practice is able to bring a balance back to our body, it cannot be considered as a facelift, regardless of what it can do for us individually. This is because acupuncture does not do anything to us medically that could be considered a facelift, such as make incisions or use chemicals. That doesn't mean, however, that I cannot give us a more youthful appearance. Maintaining our health from the inside out is one sure way for us to look younger and to feel younger. Acupuncture is simply one way for us to maintain this style of health. When used in conjunction with other natural methods such as supplementing with vitamins and eating a proper diet, you would be surprised at what it can do for your overall appearance. It can also help to stimulate areas of the face that will assist in removing some of the wrinkles, hopefully, but it will really do its wonders when it comes to improving our health from the inside. Whenever we are healthy and in balance, we sleep better, eat better, and are overall more relaxed. This will do a lot for the way that we look on the outside because we are feeling good on the inside. Acupuncture can bring your body back into a naturally balanced condition that will give you this glow and make you feel and look younger. Of course, your acupuncturist may also ask you to maintain your health in other ways, but this Chinese practice can point you in the direction of a more youthful look.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.